In Yoga Plus Psychology workshops and retreats, we have a chance to journal with specific journal prompts to help us go deeper into our psychological process. And in this way, when we write things down and we take that quiet time to reflect, we can better digest what's going on inside. The Plus Psychology workshops and retreats are also about deep relaxation and restorative practices. We help the nervous system by learning ways to calm it down, whether we are already feeling calm and peace, or if we're getting stressed and having negative emotions. This program is for you if you are curious about how yoga and psychology, mindfulness, and neuroscience can really help you in your life to gain greater confidence with managing stress, finding better peace and balance, and having more satisfying relationships at home and at work.